I'm Heidi Applegate. I am the Senior Advisor for Strategic Energy Security here at NREL. NREL defines energy security as the uninterrupted availability of energy resources at an affordable price while minimizing negative consequences from energy use, including efficiency, environmental, social, and geopolitical factors. In the past, those looking at energy security only really thought about supply diversity, but now we think about a lot more, including the consequences of increased energy demand. In today's connected world, there are a lot of externalities, and that's a side effect or consequence of an activity that affects other parties without it being reflected in the cost. In energy development, a good example is mining for critical materials, causing localized negative environmental impacts. The local population suffers from these negative impacts, but unless the mine is required to pay some sort of remediation, the costs and the benefits are held by two different groups. NREL aims to develop systems that consider all costs, even when they are not initially expressed in monetary terms, for example, environmental damage, so that we can then make decisions that incorporate a more holistic perspective of the costs and benefits of our energy decisions. Strategic energy security also tends to focus on a longer time horizon. Instead of considering only today's cost and availability of energy materials, strategic energy security considers how choices made today might impact the cost and availability of energy 20 years into the future. There's an applied aspect to our work in that we help partners make decisions that will enhance energy security. At NREL, we are aiming to quantify energy security in new ways, modifying measures of energy security to reflect the changing realities of renewable energy technologies and integrating externalities like putting numbers on what is gained or lost by switching to different sources of energy or energy inputs. With the global transition to clean energy, the threat landscape for energy security is much more complex than it has ever been. Energy security is key to creating a clean energy future for the world because the broad adoption of clean energy technologies relies on systems and practices more advanced than those used in traditional fuels.